Hello, YouTube. Right now, we have a blizzard warning. It hasn't started snowing yet, so I'm going to go. It's leg day, and it's supposed to start snowing in like 20 minutes. So let's try to speed through this. But I'm gonna try to post every time I lift, and on the days I don't lift, I'm gonna try and do like challenges or like comments or whatever, different type of videos, whatever, whatever you guys want, I'll do. All right, we're at the gym now. I'm just gonna sit here. I just ate some Doritos because I wasn't able to eat much. I had work. I just got off of work maybe an hour ago, and I had my break around I don't even know, like 5 hours ago. So here I am eating Doritos in my car, listening to Nirvana. And yeah, so I just took my pre-workout. I have a Monster in here. Best flavor, by the way, Rio Punch. Nothing beats it. So yeah, I don't really know what to talk about, All right, let's get these up. There's one, and there's two. All right, that's up. My beautiful, beautiful Mustang.
All right, we got a good mornings going on. We were last at here. I did these to help rehab my back. I hurt my back lifting last year in December, and it's been hurting ever since. So I'm going lighter on these, so I don't accidentally retweak my back. Because obviously it's still weak from when I hurt it. I'm going lighter. That's where I have a few reps left and I'm done. I need more weight. We have leg extensions for the quads. This one goes up to 100 kilograms. I might need a little bit more. I do single legs on Wednesdays. Today's Saturday. So I'll just do the best I can. Just control the weight pretty good. I really love these because even though my quads aren't the biggest, I still feel pretty good. My quads, like my legs, are just pretty small. And I powerlifted for a while, so they just built up strength, not size. So that didn't really help too much, did it? I love lifting though. I always wanted to do it, ever since I was like 8, but I really got into it when I was 14 or 15. About 15, I think. That's when I started like fully doing that. I started lifting when I was 13. That's when I first started going to the Y and lifting there. All that. I didn't know what I was doing though, you know. I would just do whatever. I didn't really have a plan. When I was 15, I started powerlifting. That's when I had my first plan. I went off other people's plans, and then eventually led to me building my own. Now here I am doing my own thing. Works amazingly. Alright, let's get this. So, I'll just up that. I have to rest because it's too late for me. That's it. Hamstring curls. You got 85 kilograms. 2 by 8. I'm pretty tired now. Just look how skinny these are. I mean, I've got some veins, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for size. I'm bulking for a reason. So when I do this, the whole YouTube thing, videos, all that, I'm probably gonna try and I think I said earlier, I want to do challenges, like other stuff I see on TikTok or YouTube, all that. I want to try that stuff. And then if I can't do them, like if I can't finish the challenge, I probably want to have like a punishment in a way, you know, like buzz my hair is gonna be the first one because I want to do that. So I want to do it, but I'm scared to do it because my hairline is cooked, Chad. My hairline's cooked. So I want to but a buzz is one of them. First one. And then after that, I don't know. You guys can start coming up with them. Get into the shit. Lower that down to 60. Damn. That gets tough. Start off strong, but slow down. I don't know if I said in this video yet, I'm bulking up to 200. I'm about 170 right now. So I'm excited for that. Whatever, because I need more stuff to talk about. I'm not very good at this. Huge legs by the end of the bulk. I'm starting to hit 200 by late August, which is about 5 pounds a month. I put on 10 pounds last month.
Alright, that was a pretty good leg day. I talked a lot. I talked to people a lot that whole time. But yeah, and I got home safely. The snowing, as you can see, started. I got some posing in after, in the snow even. That was nice. That was cool. I hope to use that in the picture, the thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah, so it's not too bad right now. I was able to drive home. It's maybe like half an inch. I don't know. But yeah. So that's all for today. I'm going to go inside, eat. I'm gonna take my protein shake, eat. Yeah, so I'm at like 170 on my way to 230 pounds to go. 5 pounds a month. We'll hit there by late August. Yeah. So follow along, check my TikTok again right here. And yeah, see you guys later. So I lied. Snow goes up to my car. But this isn't the blizzard yet. This was just the snowstorm. The blizzard starts at 4. It's only noon. Got 4 hours till the blizzard. Snowstorm, right? You walk out, boom, boom. Things like almost waist height. And then I'm not gonna go all the way, but like be a footsteps. Not even a fucking walkway.